What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a cutting-edge dietary supplement designed to support mitochondrial health and enhance cellular energy production. Mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, are responsible for generating the energy required for various physiological processes. Mitolyn aims to optimize mitochondrial function, thereby boosting energy levels, improving cognitive performance, and supporting overall well-being. Formulated with a blend of scientifically backed ingredients, Mitolyn targets the root causes of mitochondrial dysfunction, which is often linked to aging, stress, and environmental factors. Its innovative formula caters to individuals looking to enhance their vitality, mental clarity, and physical endurance. How does Mitolyn work? Mitolyn operates by addressing the key factors that influence mitochondrial health. These include oxidative stress, nutrient deficiencies, and impaired cellular energy production. The supplement's mechanism of action can be summarized as follows. 1. Boosting ATP production. Adenosine triphosphate, ATP, is the energy currency of the cell. 1. Mitolyn's ingredients, such as coenzyme Q10 and PQQ, pyrroloquinoline quinone, enhance the efficiency of ATP production within mitochondria. 2. Reducing oxidative stress. Antioxidants in Mitolyn neutralize free radicals that can damage mitochondrial DNA and impair their function. 2. This helps preserve cellular integrity and delay aging-related issues. 3. Enhancing cellular repair. The supplement supports the repair and regeneration of damaged mitochondria, ensuring sustained energy levels and optimal cellular performance. 4. Supporting neuroprotection. Certain components in Mitolyn promote brain health by improving mitochondrial function in neurons, thereby enhancing memory, focus, and overall cognitive abilities. Mitolyn ingredients. Mitolyn's formulation features a synergistic blend of premium quality ingredients known for their mitochondrial boosting properties. Here is a breakdown of its key components. 1. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, role. A vital antioxidant that supports ATP production and protects cells from oxidative damage. Benefits: enhances energy levels, reduces fatigue, and supports cardiovascular health. 2. Pyrroloquinoline quinone, PQQ, role. Stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis and improves cellular energy metabolism. Benefits: promotes neuroprotection and combats age-related cognitive decline. 3. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, role. Acts as a universal antioxidant, protecting both water and fat-soluble regions of cells. Benefits: supports blood sugar regulation and reduces oxidative stress. 4. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, role. Precursor to glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that detoxifies cells. Benefits: enhances liver health, boosts immune function, and protects against oxidative damage. 5. Magnesium, role. Essential for energy production and muscle function. Benefits: alleviates muscle cramps, supports heart health, and aids in relaxation. 6. B vitamins, B2, B6, B12, role. Cofactors in energy metabolism and neurotransmitter production. Benefits: improve mood, cognitive performance, and energy levels. 7. Resveratrol, role. A polyphenol that activates sirtuins, enzymes associated with longevity. Benefits: supports cardiovascular health and reduces inflammation. Mitolyn benefits. Mitolyn offers a wide range of benefits, making it a versatile supplement for individuals seeking better health and performance. Key advantages include: 1. Enhanced energy levels. By improving ATP production, Mitolyn combats fatigue and boosts physical and mental stamina. 2. Improved cognitive function. Ingredients like PQQ and B vitamins enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity, supporting peak cognitive performance. 3. Antioxidant protection. The potent antioxidant properties of CoQ10, ALA, and NAC shield cells from oxidative damage, promoting long-term health. 4. Cardiovascular support. CoQ10 and resveratrol contribute to better heart health by improving circulation and reducing oxidative stress. 5. Anti-aging effects. Mitolyn's ability to repair and regenerate mitochondria helps delay aging and maintain youthful vitality. 6. Stress reduction. Magnesium and B vitamins play a crucial role in reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Mitolyn pros and cons. Pros. 1. Contains clinically tested ingredients. 2. Promotes overall mitochondrial health. 3. Enhances both physical and mental energy. 4. Free from artificial additives and fillers. 5. Suitable for various age groups. Cons. 1. Premium pricing may deter budget-conscious consumers. 2. Not suitable for individuals with certain medical conditions without consulting a healthcare provider. 3. Requires consistent use for optimal results. Mitolyn recommended dosage. The recommended dosage for Mitolyn is 2 capsules daily, preferably taken with a meal. This ensures optimal absorption of its active ingredients. For individuals with specific health conditions or those taking other medications, it is advised to consult a healthcare professional before starting the supplement. Mitolyn side effects. Mitolyn is formulated with natural and well-tolerated ingredients, minimizing the risk of side effects. However, some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort or headaches during the initial days of use. These effects are usually temporary and subside as the body adjusts to the supplement. Individuals with allergies to any of the listed ingredients or those with pre-existing medical conditions should exercise caution and seek medical advice before use. Mitolyn scam or not? Mitolyn is not a scam. It is manufactured by a reputable company that adheres to stringent quality control standards. The supplement's ingredients are backed by scientific research, and its claims are supported by positive customer feedback. To avoid counterfeit products, it is essential to purchase Mitolyn directly from the official website or authorized retailers. Mitolyn pricing and discounts. Mitolyn is available in the following pricing tiers. 1. 1 bottle, $49.99, 30-day supply. 2. 3 bottles, $134.97, $44.99 per bottle, 90-day supply. 3. 6 bottles, $239.94, $39.99 per bottle, 180-day supply. Bulk purchases often come with free shipping and additional discounts, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term users. Where to buy Mitolyn? Mitolyn can be purchased directly from the official website, ensuring authenticity and access to exclusive discounts. Some authorized retailers and online platforms may also stock the product, but buyers should verify their legitimacy to avoid counterfeit supplements. Mitolyn reviews and complaints. Positive reviews. 1. Increased energy. Many users have reported a noticeable boost in energy levels within weeks of starting Mitolyn. 2. Cognitive clarity. Customers have praised the supplement for enhancing focus and reducing brain fog. 3. Overall well-being. Numerous reviews highlight improved vitality and reduced fatigue. Negative feedback. 1. Cost concerns. A few users find the supplement's price on the higher side. 2. Delayed results. Some individuals experienced slower than expected improvements, emphasizing the need for consistent use. Final verdict. Mitolyn stands out as a premium supplement designed to optimize mitochondrial health and elevate overall wellness. Its blend of scientifically supported ingredients addresses multiple aspects of cellular health, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking enhanced energy, cognitive performance, and longevity. While the price may be a consideration for some, the benefits it delivers justify the investment for those prioritizing their health and well-being. As with any supplement, consistency and adherence to the recommended dosage are key to achieving the best results.